What up? This is your boy Snake Nation. Yeah, I'm out here, man, chilling. And I was thinking lately, that we are fucking blessed. Life is a blessing as a whole, and people are fucking busy, crying out there. They are fucking deceived. You know what I'm saying? So, life as a whole is a blessing because each and every day you can like do other stuff, learn new shit. You know what I'm saying? You can heal yourself, overcoming some bullshit stuff, and and that's an opportunity that God gave us. You know what I'm saying? And we're lucky because God has choose us as human beings to be the head of every fucking thing, because we motherfucking heal ourselves. We don't need anyone, even don't need doctors when we sick. We just fasting. We overcome diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer. We kill all that shit. We meditate. We kill all the disease. Yeah, man, it's fascinating if you think about it. But yeah, it is what it is at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? Life is crazy, bro. And God has given us that opportunity to be us. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy that I am what I am, and I'm happy that I am what I've become. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, shout out to those niggas out there. Shout out to ladies who are out there who are striving, who try to impact their life, who trying to change their life. It's all gonna happen, and it's all happening. It's a step by step, layer by layer. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you can like become everything that you desire.